To begin scanning our two-sided originals, I'll place these originals in the document feeder. From the copier panel, I have the election of choosing Easy Scan, or I can scroll to the second screen and choose the email feature. Both features work the same. The Easy Scan has less features than the email. So depending on what you're needing to do, you can begin in either one. I'll begin using the Easy Scan mode. I'm going to tap Easy Scan. When I tap Easy Scan, I also can choose my destination from the address book, or I can choose it from the global address book. We're going to choose address book, and then you choose your destination. Tap the OK button. Tap the arrow to go to the second page, and from here I'll choose Original. My election here is to choose long edge or short edge. Mine is in the portrait mode, which is the short edge, and then I'll choose Book because my page is open to the left. I'll tap Book, tap OK, and here I will tap black and white for my black and white documents, or color for my color documents. I'm going to tap color because my documents are color. The machine will scan both sides simultaneously and email the pages, and it's sending 8 pages to the destination I have chosen. If your home screen does not have the Easy Scan option, tap the arrow to the second screen and you're going to select Email. The features are the same. I'm going to tap Address Book, select the destination to send the document, tap OK. I'm going to tap Original, and I'm going to select my two-sided mode, Booklet. I'm going to tap the OK key, and then I'm going to tap Start. The machine again scans both sides simultaneously and emails the same number of pages to the destination I had selected.